Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download videos from HeyGen in 2026. So if you've already generated an AI avatar video and want to save it to your device, upload it to YouTube, or use it in editing software, this guide will help you step by step. First, make sure your video is fully generated, so you cannot download it while it is still processing or rendering. Next, go to your HeyGen dashboard and click on the video you want to download. This is where all your generated projects are stored. So open your video and look for the download button on the top right corner. Click it to start exporting your video to your device. Now choose your export settings. You can download video in different resolutions like 720p, 1080p, or even 4K depending on your plan. So you can also download just the audio or subtitle file if you need them. This is useful for editing or repurposing content. Next, wait for the export to finish. Once it's done, your video will be saved automatically to your device. So open your downloads folder and check your video. Make sure audio, subtitles, and quality are all working properly. Now, if you don't see the download button, your video is probably still processing or your plan doesn't support downloads yet. So if downloads still don't work, try logging out, switching to Chrome, or refreshing your browser. This fixes most temporary glitches. And that's how to download videos from HeyGen in 2026. Once your video is exported, you can use it anywhere for YouTube, social media, or client work. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.